Oh my goodness. This is a pretty amazing light. Welcome to the review, you guys. Today we're doing a review of this solar lamp for your backyard that's pretty much portable and you can put it wherever you want. This product was sent to us in return for our honest review. So it's got an on-off button on the bottom here. It does have a remote. I just left it inside, but it has a remote as well. It has a sensor. You can see it's flashing green. That's because, I mean, it's daylight, but it's kind of gray out here. So once it gets dark, this is going to automatically come on, which is really cool. And it comes on at like a low setting, and then as soon as it detects motion, it's super bright. When it gets dark tonight, I will show you exactly how that works. The base is really nice. You can just put some water or sand in it so it's not going to like tip around or tip over. The other thing I wanted to know is this actually comes apart really, really easily. Like the top can come off. We can unscrew these. Jamie and I had the thought that this might be really nice to have while camping. Now, of course, we wouldn't leave it on all night while camping, but it would be nice to have outside while camping when we're like trying to walk the dogs and stuff like that in the dark. That would be really cool. So let's come on back and check it out in the dark. Look, the light is on. So that is what it looks like when there's no motion. You can kind of see here. Now I'm gonna send the dogs out into the yard. Look at that. Look at that. Look how bright that is. Look how far out into the yard I can see. Oh, she kicked down another light over there. This is so crazy cool. I think I'm actually going to move it into the corner over there, and then when we go camping, we'll take it camping with us. But this is phenomenal. Solar powered. It was easy to put together, easy to move around, and it lights up the whole yard. And see? So that's how long it stays on. And then if I move, that's all it takes. And it brightens back up. Definitely a win. Totally recommend this.